got my first settlement today. That's a big milestone. All of my training and everything I've been doing has been a little unconventional because I've just been, you know, the classic line for everything that I've been training under is, so this isn't normally how this goes, but we're gonna have to do it this way. But it's good that you get experience doing it this way. Once the party's injured, we do our best to get them as much money as possible. You know, just to kind of ease the blow of all the medical bills and everything.
I can't imagine like helping an insurance company save money when people pay their premiums. You always hear about like big wigs making these bonuses. Like, no, just pay your client what they pay you for.
And today we were actually able to get our client the full policy. So that's really exciting. And that's all kind of wrapping up now, final touches on that. But yeah, it's a big day. Come a long way since October. So it's fun. It's kind of fun to see how the whole process plays out. And I've kind of seen everything go through, but it's been really exciting.